Hi, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a discussion board post. So the first thing you want to do is to find the discussion board and then enter into the forum where you want to post your thread. So click Create Thread if you haven't done so already. Give the subject a title. And then in the body of the message, you're going to show more on the editor and then click the icon that looks like a little landscape with a sun. And then you're going to select Browse My Computer and then find the image that you want to upload. For me, it's going to be physics assignment. Open that image and then select Insert. So there you can see the image is there, and if you want you can add a little bit of text to it to give it a description and then click Submit. So once you've submitted, you can go back into the thread and you can see there's your image and there's your text and there's your title. So that's it. Pretty easy. I hope you found this helpful.